It's Sunday morning here in Panacea. Oh, almost just fell off my paddleboard. And we're going out for a little paddleboard ride this morning. There's a cool little stream nearby, so we've just got to go down the bay a little bit and hope that the gators don't get us.
These blow-up paddleboards are one of the best things we've ever added to our camping equipment. They're lightweight and compact, making them easy to carry around in our small rig. They allow us to explore places that we could never see in the same way from land.
All right, well, we're headed into the marshy area and we're gonna see if we can find some gators or maybe some other wildlife. We did hear that there might be some manatees in the area as well. Well, we haven't seen any gators or really much of any wildlife, aside from some birds. But still a beautiful day to be out here paddleboarding, nice and calm. And in retrospect, maybe it's a good thing we're not seeing gators, because I don't think we'd want to have a gator encounter on an inflatable paddleboard. And we are back safely from our wildlife hunting adventure. Decided to come in now because the sun's getting pretty hot. It's almost noon here and don't want to get too much of a sunburn and ruin the rest of our day.
Being our last full day in Panacea, we were quickly running out of time, but there was still one recommendation that we hadn't yet covered. We were told we must check out the Gulf Specimen Aquarium, only minutes away from our campground.
When you enter the main building right behind us at the front door, we have a lot of touch tanks. Green tanks are touch tanks. You can catch little critters in there and look at them. Just be gentle, put them back where they live. Don't try to catch any fish, just crawling critters.
Oh, it is spiky.
Established in 1963, the Aquarium and Associated Lab is a non-profit that provides marine life to schools and research facilities. They also study endangered species and are part of numerous research programs all over the United States and Canada. We did not regret our visit for 1 minute. Never have we had the opportunity to see so many different types of marine life in real life. Biological supply operation that supports this lab provides a constant flow of different marine life. Local fishermen collect the specimens and they are shipped to research facilities. This means you never know what kind of creatures you might see when you come to visit. At any given time, there are between 100 and 200 species of marine life present at this aquarium. The aquarium's mission is to further, through study, research, publication, teaching, and public display, the knowledge of marine biology in order to promote its protection in the wild. Visiting this aquarium provided an experience we won't soon forget. Thanks for the recommendation, Terry and Barbara.
Well, it's a bit of a sad day here. Today is our last day at Holiday Campground. But the exciting part is we still have another whole month on the road, and we're continuing to work our way towards Key West. Tomorrow, we're gonna head to a harvest host in Crystal River, where we're hoping to see more manatees. So we're certainly looking forward to that, but we are absolutely going to miss all of the friends that we've made at this campground. And there's almost too many to mention, but we hope to see everyone again next year, although we do have some plans to go out west next year. So hopefully plans line up and we end up meeting some of our new friends on the road at some point somewhere, or maybe some of these new friends will work their way up north and come visit us at our cottage. The invite's out there, so I hope some of you, and you know who you are, take us up on that offer.
This has been another great stay at Holiday Campground, a campground that helped ignite our passion for life on the road. It could be the sounds of the water right next to our trailer. It could be the beautiful sunsets that we see almost every night. But let's be honest, it's actually the wonderful people we've met here that made our stay so great. We're gonna miss you all, and we hope to cross paths again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button. Or, even better, subscribe to our channel. It really does help us reach a wider audience. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.